Hello everyone, welcome to the Path2QA Expert channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Puppeteer automation. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to master Puppeteer automation. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of Puppeteer together. Let's start with GitHub README page first. Let's install the prerequisites by using the links provided for Node.jsand Visual Studio Code. Respective pages have packages, so the installation process is very smooth. Let's start by cloning the project and opening it in Visual Studio Code. Then, run the following commands one by one. Run npm init to initialize a new Node.jsand project and create a package.json file. Run npm i-Puppeteer to install Puppeteer for browser automation. Run npm i-Jest to install Jest for running tests. Run npm i-Jest Puppeteer to integrate Puppeteer with Jest for testing. Run npm install fsextra to install fsextra for enhanced file system operations. Run npm install savedev Jest Puppeteer to save Jest Puppeteer as a development dependency. The Jest Puppeteer.config.js file is used to configure the behavior of Puppeteer when it's integrated with Jest. This configuration file allows you to specify various settings for launching the browser and controlling its behavior during test execution. This jest.config.js file configures Jest to use the Jest Puppeteer preset for browser automation, and it specifies that test files should match star.test.js. Additionally, it sets up an HTML reporter to generate a detailed test report in the reports folder. This demo test script uses Puppeteer and Jest to automate the login and logout process on the sauce demo website. The script starts by navigating to the site and includes utility functions to take snapshots and clean the snapshots folder before tests. The main test case, it performs the login actions, takes snapshots at different stages, and logs out, ensuring the process is visually captured and any old snapshots are removed before the test run. Login and logout. The script waits for necessary elements, interacts with the login form, and executes the logout procedure, ensuring all actions are properly synchronized. Now, let's run the tests. Since Puppeteer is a screen scraping tool, you might see multiple instances of the browser being launched. During one of these browser executions, the script will run quickly once triggered. A report will be generated promptly. Let's open the snapshots folder and check the screenshots. An HTML report is also integrated, providing a detailed summary with all captured information. I have also attached a reference link to the Puppeteer documentation, where all the minute details are available. This will help you automate further. Please go to the GitHub link provided in the description to get all the steps from the README page. Simple, right? It was so easy. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Happy automating!